Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Writesonic and also show you why it could be a great ChatGPT alternative. So ladies and gentlemen, we are in app.writesonic.com. You will come right over here on the left hand side. You will see a bunch of tools, but for now what we're going to do is just go into the search bar over here. We are going to start typing. So here you can create backlink strategies for websites. You can create digital marketing analysis. There's tons that you can do, right? But what we're going to do, we're going to just explore what they have to offer. So if you click on this auto over here, you can actually choose the agent that you'll be using to reply with. So like the auto agent will be adjusted to your prompt. The SEO agent obviously is best for real-time SEO analytics, also planning and execution, content agent, and then LinkedIn agent, which is specific for LinkedIn research and also creating engaging posts that are specific for LinkedIn, which I think is great. I'm going to just leave it on auto for now. You can also see that you can select a writing style. So let's say that you have created different writing styles. Let's say one is relaxed, one is very professional. You can choose through those writing styles. Then the last thing over here, of course, we have attachments, but then we have this, which is prompt templates. Now, let's say that you would like to create a prompt, and this is very different to things like ChatGPT, whereas there is no template for a prompt. You can basically ask a simple prompt and it'll fill in the gaps for you. But this is a full-on template, okay? So let's go ahead and let's say content strategy, and this is just filtering out just the content strategy. And here we want to look for, let's say, a web page optimization. Go ahead, click on this, and here it says analyze my web page. You're going to add in your URL and suggest improvements to be ranking for. You have a look at your keyword and then also add your location in over here. Then you can also see on the right hand side, you can add this in on the right hand side. And then once you're done, you're going to go and click on use prompt. Let's fill in the details. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this did take a bit of time. However, this is a full analysis. You can see that there is a lot going on over here. There's an executive summary, a current state analysis. You can see things are not looking good. You can also see target keyword analysis. This is all powered by Ahrefs. You can see also technical audit findings, profile bio optimization. There is a lot. So you can really dive into a lot of detail over here, and you can pretty much use any sort of prompt that you want. Now, this is the output. You also have findings, and again, a lot of information. Now, let's just go back. We're going to just close this for a second. This was all the thinking that it did as well. It kind of gave you every step that it went through, which was great. Now, what you can do here is literally use this to plan your strategy moving forward or analyze your website or your social media from the past.